everyone. Sorry it's been a while. I've been dealing with what I call don't haunt the living when you're dead. And this is a preparedness video. It's about being prepared when a loved one dies. So recently my father passed 12 months ago. I'm just finally finished dealing with his estate as the executor. This is not by any means medical or legal advice. This is just my experience. So what came out of my father's will was that it was really badly written, which meant my sibling thought they weren't looked after enough in the will. So I challenged the will, and it was literally about the way it was written. So my suggestion for preparing, once you turn 18, get a will kit. There's a link down below. Use that will kit if you've got a simple estate. If you've got a more complicated estate, use that will kit as like a draft before you go to the lawyers, because believe it or not, every email they send, they bill you for. Every minute they're on the phone, they bill you for. So a legal battle that lasted maybe 3 months cost $90,000 in Australia. Can't fault my legal team. They were fantastic. Well, they were acting for the estate. They weren't my legal team. But that chews into whatever's left. So once you turn 18, get yourself a will, even if it's something simple, even if you just have a car or a few $1,000s in the bank or some super, be prepared. For women especially, if you're not the main breadwinner, you need to make sure the wills are prepared properly. Also, we discovered during this process that the law firm that my dad had employed that wrote the terrible will had not completed the enduring power of attorney or the financial guardianship orders that they were supposed to. So you need to be on top of all this stuff. I know it's not a fun topic to talk about, especially in the preparedness space, but as we all know, disasters happen. Make sure someone else has got a copy of your will. You can leave it with your lawyers, but make sure someone you love, maybe the executor or someone you trust, has got a copy, so that if your house burns down, there's still a copy somewhere that exists. As we know, bushfires move fast, so they could come through before you get time to get them out. And they're usually not something you'd put in your go bag, or maybe you would, depending on how complicated your estate is. So my advice, be smart, be prepared. Once you're an adult, you need these documents. If you've got family members who, are over the age of 18, make sure they've got these documents. You be the one to show them how to be prepared. Look after yourself. Sorry, this is a bit of a bummer, this one, but it just came to me that since I'd been away for a while, I should tell you what I was doing and why I was doing it. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the weekend if it's your weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.